Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mohini and I'm here today ready for a dinner party. That's why I am dressed up today. And you can see maybe some of the products that I've been using and my skin. I've been using a lot of the makeup products that I have recommended on the channel as well. So let's go into a new product that I have purchased that I'll be using by a brand called Simply Vital. I purchased this on Amazon. I haven't started using it yet, but I'll let you guys know once some time has passed. It's a collagen, retinol, and hyaluronic acid, anti-aging, and recovery cream. So I'm going to use this as a night cream. And some of the ingredients that are in here is purified water, cocos nucifera, which is an oil, stearic acid, vitamin E, chamomile, and the list goes on, but a lot of great products are here. It's pretty affordable. I will link it in the product information below. And you can use this for day and night. There's 1.7 fluid ounces. I always like this applicator where you press down and it comes out because it just feels very clean. And it's not exposed to the air, and I don't know, it just feels like it retains moisture. It feels really great on the skin. I love this applicator. It is less messy. I feel like less germs that are on your hand touch the cream. And I don't know, I just like the process of using it like this. The packaging's a little bulky, but very, very pretty and very compact. This probably won't be the best cream to travel with, but you know, that's fine. This is like more of an everyday use. So again, there's 1.7 fluid ounces. It's made in USA. I'm not familiar with the brand, but I will definitely check out some of their other products and get back to you about how this performed and a few of the other products. If you're looking for a day and night cream, something that's versatile, this might be it, just because of all of the ingredients that are together. So if you try it and purchase it, let us know in the comments what it did for your skin and if it was suitable. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel where you would get continued updated videos on some of the skincare products that we use on a daily basis. Thanks so much for watching.